In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Lovable app on Kajabi. We're going to take your published Lovable app and place it onto a Kajabi page using a custom code section. This is a simple process once you know where everything lives, and the key idea is that you'll first copy your live app link from Lovable, then embed that link inside an iframe on your Kajabi page. To begin, head over to your Lovable dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, click on All Projects so you can see the list of apps and projects you've created. From there, find the project you want to place on Kajabi. Next, click on the copy link icon for that project. When the menu appears, choose Copy Published App Link. One important thing to keep in mind here is that your project needs to be live or published already. If it isn't published yet, the embedded version on Kajabi won't load correctly, so make sure that part is done before moving on. Now that you've copied your Lovable app link, switch over to Kajabi. Inside Kajabi, go to Website and then click Website Pages. This will bring you to the list of pages on your site. Open the specific page where you want your Lovable app to appear. If you already have a page prepared for this, great. If not, just make sure you're selecting the page you want visitors to use when accessing the app. Once you're inside the page editor, click Add Section. This is how you'll insert a new content area into the page. From the available section options, choose Custom Code. Then click Add to place that custom code section onto the page. After it's been added, click on the newly created custom code block so you can edit its settings. On the left sidebar, click Custom Code. This is the area where you'll paste the HTML needed to display your Lovable app directly inside the Kajabi page. Now paste in your iframe code and replace the URL inside that iframe with the Lovable app link you copied earlier. If you're following along from a visual guide, this is a good moment to pause and carefully enter the code exactly as shown. The most important part is making sure the source link inside the iframe points to your own published Lovable app, not a placeholder URL. A basic iframe embed usually includes the app URL along with dimensions that control how much space the app takes up on the page. If your app is interactive, giving it enough height is especially helpful so visitors don't feel cramped while using it. The exact appearance may depend on your Kajabi page layout, but the essential step here is simply pasting the iframe code into the custom code field and swapping in your published Lovable link. Once that's done, click Save. After saving, preview the page to make sure the app loads properly. This final check is important because it lets you confirm that the embed is working, the app displays as expected, and the page layout still looks clean on the front end. If the app doesn't appear right away, the first thing to verify is that you copied the published app link, not some other project URL. Also double-check that the link was pasted correctly into the iframe code with no extra spaces or missing characters. In many cases, a small typo in the embed code is all it takes to stop the app from loading. And that's it. You've gone from your Lovable dashboard, copied the published app link, added a custom code section in Kajabi, pasted in the iframe, and saved the page so your app can appear directly on your site. Once everything looks good in preview, your Kajabi visitors should be able to access the embedded Lovable app right from that page.